Hi guys, welcome to Sporting Shots YouTube channel. I'm Dan, creating this channel just as a bit of a documentary, a diary if you will, my sporting exploits. I plan on showing you all the hits, misses, successes, failures, the whole lot, so we can all learn together. This first video just as a bit of a taster, a few crows flighting over my position onto some freshly drilled barley and wheat. Was only out for a very short amount of time, a couple of hours tops, very basic decoy pattern. I had to carry it all, so I didn't really want to be lugging too much across there. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope to share a few more with you. Yeah.